Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Sony WF-C500 earbuds with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to put earbuds inside the case, charge them for like 20 minutes before the pairing, and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to just open this charging case, take them off, and then click and hold on the left and the right together until this indicators starts blinking quickly together. Yeah, just like that. Right now you can release these buttons, put them close to your device, and then you have to go for the Bluetooth. Click to pair new device if you don't have this quick shortcut. Select them from this list, accept the pairing, and right now you can open the Play Store and download the Sony headphones application. So you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data to get the external application on your device. And yeah, that's the name of the application that we have to download. Click to open, accept all of this stuff right here, so keep tapping OK each time you have any permission. Right now we are able to sign in with account, but honestly I don't need this account, so I'm gonna click later. I don't want to restore any previously settings, so I'm gonna start like get the new start, click next, later, next. If you want to use the 360 reality audio, you have to sign in or create an account. Click to go to the dashboard, and as you can see right now we are just set up. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.